What's going on, y'all? It's April 20th. Got the side-by-side on the back. We're loaded up, about to hit the trails and get on some turkey birds. I have hunted every day here in southern West Virginia since opening day, which was Monday, with no success. I've been set up on multiple birds. I've heard multiple birds, but nothing's panned out. What in the hell? Damn moth in here. Go. But anyways, I've hunted since Monday. It is now Saturday. No success. Been on multiple birds. I've heard multiple birds. Hoping today's different. These mountain birds are something else. Flopped him. Look at that, boy. Look at that. Flopped him. Oh. I don't even know how to describe what just happened. Oh, baby. Yes. Yes. God, it's been such rough hunting out here. That wasn't much of a video, but he just would not come up that ridge. He hung up about 45, 50 yards. And I said, oh, what the hell? It's been 25, 30 minutes. And he stopped and I put the bead right on his head and kaboom. The old Rossi 410. Foxtrot ammo. Clobbered him. Oh my God, yes! What an awesome hunt. What an awesome hunt. Calling the old woman.
Hello? Oh my God! I told you were going to.
Bird down.
Hey! You have it on video?
I mean, it's not the best video because he wouldn't come all the way in. I think I got maybe his head on video, but I got him gobbling so much, like at 35, 40 yards.
Oh my gosh, he went with you. Dang.
It was, I called to this bird I think for 35 minutes.
Really?
And I done what I said I was gonna do. Sit in the same place and not move.
Do you need anything?
No, Shane's up here somewhere. I told him, I said there's more. I had 3 or 4 gobbling out here, so he's gonna meet me out here and take pictures, and then we're gonna try to get him one. All right, y'all, April 20th, bird down. I started at a big point this morning where I usually hear a ton of birds. Didn't hear a thing. Drove to side by side out here, hooted, heard a couple. Come out here, got set up. Didn't like to set up, so I moved over the point, and this bird was hammering at about 120, 130 yards away. The last 6 days, I've hunted hard, and I basically just run and gunned. I hear them, I try to get as close as I can to them, set up, and they shut up. But today, I set up, and I was just going back and forth. Should I try to get closer? Should I stay here? And so I just stayed put, called, and he got close quick. So this point just lays out like this. He come up the left side, worked around the front of the point, all the way to the right side. And I got tired of watching him strut down there at about 45 to 50 yards, and the old Rossi 410 surprised the crap out of me. Got the Foxtrot shells, Stroker 9.5 shot, the Viper red dot. Absolutely flopped him all the way down to the bed of the holler. Just a young bird, big old thick beard, decent spurs, but you cannot be too picky out here on southern West Virginia public land. A lot of hunters, a lot of good turkey hunters. You take what you can get out here. But I am extremely happy with this bird. Shane's going to get to side by side now, and we're going to try to get him on a bird. So, pumped up. It's rough, definitely rough solo filming turkey hunting, but I look back and I did get the shot on camera. It's not the best footage, but you definitely see him get shot and flop down the holler. But right there, big turkey bird down. All right, y'all, that'll be it for this video. Me and Shane hunted till 12 o'clock on the dot. Had 2 close calls, but it did not pan out. Heck of a day regardless. Like I said, I've hunted my tail off since open a day, and it finally came together this morning. I got another tag left, and I will be back on the turkey birds in the morning on some private land, hoping to fill my last tag. I appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all on the next one.